In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect LinkedIn to N8N step by step. Whether you're setting up your first automation workflow or you simply want to make your LinkedIn posting process faster and more efficient, this simple guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your browser and go to N8N. Once you're there, log into your account. If you're new to N8N, go ahead and create a quick account. It only takes a moment. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, click on the plus icon to start a new workflow. You'll see several options appear on the screen. Over here, type LinkedIn into the search bar and select it as soon as it appears in the drop-down list. This is where you begin linking your LinkedIn account to N8N. Now look a little further down the screen and you'll see a section labeled Actions. Over here, pick the action called Create Post. This option lets you publish posts on LinkedIn directly through your N8N workflow. Super helpful, right? To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're logged into the correct LinkedIn account. Confirm you have access to your LinkedIn developer settings if needed, and ensure your N8N tab stays open during the setup. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues. Once you've chosen the Create Post action, N8N will ask for your LinkedIn credentials. Click Select Credentials, and since it's your first time, choose Create New Credential. After that, you'll be presented with two authentication options, Standard and Community Management. If you go with the standard method, just click Connect My Account and follow the prompts. It will guide you through authorizing N8N to access your LinkedIn profile. If you choose Community Management, you'll need to manually enter your client ID and client secret, which you can get from your LinkedIn developer portal. It's a bit more advanced, but still very manageable if you follow the instructions carefully. Once you've completed these steps and your account is connected, go ahead and save your workflow. After that, you should be able to trigger LinkedIn posts directly from N8N without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to run a quick test post just to confirm everything is working perfectly. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and keeps your automation reliable. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to connect LinkedIn to N8N easily and efficiently, opening the door to powerful automation. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?